Do you have a 2018 Silverado when the battery is going kaput? I do. I'm gonna show you how to change it. So you have 3 bolts to take care of. First, one's on the cab, one's on the fender, and one's on the support bracket. They're all 13 millimeters. After that, you have 1 bolt there to take off, and then this bolt here, which supports the battery, also 13 millimeter. After that, we can go ahead and pop off this cover, just like that, and you will need to remove these tabs. But before you remove these tabs, you actually have to disconnect your positive, your negatives, and all that good stuff. So we'll start with the negative terminal. This takes a 10 millimeter socket. Loosen that one up. We'll also go ahead and loosen up the positive and this bar right here. Now, you might not have this wire. I have it here because I'm actually running a system, but you can probably ignore that wire for the most part on your Silverado. So once everything's loosened up, you pop this guy off. That's just your negative. You do that one first, and then you can pop off your positive. With a little bit of wiggle, it'll come right off. After that, all that's left is this guy here, which is a negative. That's a 13 millimeter. Go ahead and pop that off. And then we'll go ahead and also disconnect this plug. To remove the plug, you have a little blue tab right there that you can just press with your thumb, and it'll pop right out. And at this point, all you have to do is lift this tab down here, and then you can slide it forward. Apologies, I'm only using one hand. And there you go. You set it off to the side, and here's your opening for your battery. Now, the awesome gentleman, whoever installed this battery before me, decided it was a great idea and say, hey, let's pull off the handle to make your life harder, huh? And that's it. Installation's the same way, just go backwards. I'm gonna get a new battery, and hopefully the truck will run smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Peace.